is the puzzle for you. China is pushing AI adoption harder than almost any country on earth. It's embodied in national planning, yet over the past year, Chinese courts have repeatedly ruled against companies that fire workers after replacing them with AI. So is China slowing down its own AI race? I'd argue it's doing something more interesting. Take a case from Hangzhou, China's AI hub. A quality assurance supervisor who checked large language model outputs lost his job when the AI became capable of checking itself. The company cut its pay, he refused the demotion, and they fired him for technological restructuring. He challenged the dismissal and won at every stage. The company was ordered to pay substantial compensation, and a similar case in Beijing reached the same conclusion. The legal reasoning is straightforward. China's labor contract law allows dismissal when objective circumstances fundamentally change. But the courts drew a clear line. Adopting AI isn't an avoidable event. It is a strategic business decision. If a company chooses automation, it bears the cost of that choice rather than shifting it to employees. Noticing what the court didn't say. They didn't ban automation. They simply ruled that although firms can automate, they must pay for the transition. Compared with the United States, where at-will employment generally makes AI-related layoffs lawful, China may at first seem to be putting obstacles in front of innovation. But this friction changes incentives. If a company must absorb retraining, redeployment, and severance costs, they will automate where AI delivers real productivity gains, not just cheaper headcount. That reflects a broader pattern in China's approach to technology. Accelerate innovation while managing its social consequences. The state promotes AI adoption and at the same time cushions the employment shock. Labor protection isn't a brake on AI race. It's what makes the race politically sustainable. So, what should international business leaders take away? First, China's pro-innovation never means hands-off regulation. The government encourages technology while actively managing the social impact. Second, if you are deploying AI in China, restructuring is a process, not an announcement. Consultation, redeployment, and fair compensation matter. The approach that works in Texas won't necessarily work in Hangzhou. Finally, every economy will soon face the same question when AI replaces a job. Who pays for the transition? The worker, the company, or the state? China has offered one of the world's first clear answers. The party that made the strategic choice bears the cost. Whether you agree with that answer or not, expect this debate to reach your own organization soon. China just got there first.